People come up to me all the time and they say, Dale, what's your secret for your hand care routine? Do you use a callus stick? Do you use a shaver? I tell them, what the hell is all that, son? All you need in life, get you a good knife, and all you gotta do, make sure that some bitch is sharp, and you just kinda trim them down, like so. Sometimes you gotta go with the grain, sometimes you gotta go against the grain. But the main thing is, whether you're cracking skulls, cracking beers, cracking rounds off at the range, man's got to take care of his paws. And once you do that, grab you some of the good, grab you some of that Doc Spartan, rub her on down in there, you're good to go.